What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Today we're gonna get away from the American cars for a little bit. I'm about to head over to Love's house right now. My friend with the British racing green M3. He ordered a few carbon fiber parts for it, like the grill, I believe the front splitter, and I think like one more thing. So we're gonna go and attempt to install all this stuff. So I'm about to grab some coffee real quick and some snacks, and I'm about to head over there, and I'll catch you guys over there. Alright guys, where are the parts at?
Oh shit.
Take the headlights off, take the engine off, and then this other stuff.
What do you think?
It looks good. I mean, you can't really go wrong with it. The car looks hella good on this camera. Quality's good, yeah. Oh, wow. Carpet looks hella good right there. God damn.
Yeah, cool. ਉਹਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੈਡ ਆ ਉਹ 1 ਲੱਖ ਤੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਜੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਹੀ ਮੈਨੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ PBF ਹਾਂ ਮੰਨ ਹਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਨੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ अच्छी वाला कवर क्यों सही है मैं
क्यों
तो मैं ऑटो में करवा देना
Definitely the trickiest ones to get to. Just a simple deep socket will get the job done.
Using a tutorial video for our own tutorial video.
ਲੈ ਇੱਕ ਜੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਆ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਫਿੱਟ ਕਰਨੀ ਚੱਕ ਲੈ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪਰੇ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਉਹ ਪਰਲੇ ਬੰਨੇ ਨਾੜ ਪਿਆ ਜੀ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਵਾਈਜ਼ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਚੀਪਰ ਜਿਹਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ
ਹਾਂ ਚਾਈਨਾ ਮੇਡ ਆ ਨਾ
ਚੱਲ ਮੜਾ ਦਾ
Pretty much done, guys. Oh, legger, man.
It looks better.
Looks fire. No, it looks fucking 30 times better. Pretty hard install though. Definitely wouldn't
Not
recommend
bad.
the person you got it
It's
from.
definitely worth like saving $300-400 though.
Oh, for sure. Like, let me see. There's a little gap for sure. You gotta fix that. Definitely. Looks good though for the most part. I thought it was yesterday too.
On the inside?
Yeah.
No, it didn't have these on. Look.
What?
Look, those are rock chips. I didn't have these before. It was just dirty from like bugs and stuff.
Nah, nigga had those. I've probably seen the video. Fuck, so many handprints on the car.
Yeah, I know.
So we're gonna add us trying to get a $1,000 car in this video. Camry, can't go wrong.
The odometer.
Brakes hella light.
It doesn't have pads, bro.
Huh?
It doesn't have pads. You can hear it when you're pressing the brake.
What do you pick up other features?
Yeah, it's a V6.
The V6 used to be the real flex back in the day, bro.
The 3. Monday to Friday. I know, I was just about to say, I was like, well, are you going to be able to brake? Damn, they're building a whole ass community here. It's a good first car for somebody.
For sure, bro.